Hey friends, we are going to show you how to sign up for your Young Living Basic Starter Kit today, and so that you can link your Nature's Ultra account to purchase your CBD at a discount. So we are going to kind of dive right in here. So to become a member of Young Living with a basic kit, you're going to be spending $45 to get your, which is basically just your membership and a 5 ml of Stress Away essential oil. That is $45. That is your 1-year membership where you're going to save 24% on everything you buy. And then you are going to link your Nature's Ultra account to your Young Living account so that you can get your discount on your CBD products. Now, you are welcome to purchase any of our premium starter kits, and I really do think they are a huge value. And so we do have other classes we can send to you if you want to learn more about the premium starter kits. But for today's video, we're just going to show you how to link up your basic starter kit to get your basic starter kit to get your discount for Young Living and your discount for Nature's Ultra. So you're going to go to youngliving.com, you're going to pick your country, and then once you pick your country, in the upper right hand corner, you're going to click on where it says become a member. Sorry, let me make sure I log out here. So in the upper right hand corner beside sign in, it will say become a member. That will take you to this screen. So what I want you to do, one second. So what I want you to do though is you're going to need the member number of the person who referred you to this class. And we always have people sign up with the person who is teaching them and helping them get started. And so you want their number. So for the sake of today's video, I'm going to put mine in there quickly. And but I want you to use the number of the person who referred you to this video. And then what you're going to do is you are going to click continue, as long as you're okay with the person's name that has referred you. And then you're going to tab over from popular premium starter kits, which again, most of our kits are around $165, and even our essential oil kit is really valued at retail over like $400. So these kits are a savings. You are saving money by getting those. But if you come to the basic kit, which is where we're headed for CBD today, you are going to decide, do you want to join? You're going to click on the basic kit. That includes your 5 ml of Stress Away, some DRAMs, some of these samples, and then you are going to decide, do I want to do Young Living's auto ship? Now, Essential Rewards is for Young Living, not Nature's Ultra. So if you are signing up for that, you're agreeing to spend 50 PV a month, which is basically $50, on Young Living products, which you can change every single month. You do not have to get the same thing every month. But I just want to make sure you understand that this is not auto ship for CBD products from Nature's Ultra. This is an entirely different program that you can join later, or you can join it now. It's entirely up to you. So would you like to enroll in Essential Rewards and earn free products? For the sake of today's video, we're going to click no. And then the next thing it's going to ask you is if you want to add more products. At this point, if you want to add on some Young Living products, maybe get some Ningxia Red or some essential oils or makeup or deodorant or whatever you're looking to buy, you can add more products at that point. If not, you're going to click next. Once you click on next, you will fill in your information, which will be your address, your name, shipping address, email address, a primary phone number, which nobody ever really calls you from Young Living, so just know that. And then your username, password, a 4-digit numerical PIN, and you will have to decide if you want to include your Social Security number or not. That's mainly for people that want to do it as a business or think they might do it as a business down the road. They might want to include their Social Security number. And then you will have to click yes, I have read and agree to the terms of the Young Living Essential Oil Member Agreement. Come over here to the right, click agree and continue. And then you will go to a checkout page where you will pay for your order. And then you will be able to log in directly to your virtual office and link to your Nature's Ultra account, which we will show you in the next video, where you're basically going to go to the quick order area of your Young Living account, and you will connect your Nature's Ultra account under that quick order area and be able to shop directly through your Young Living account. So this is our brief overview of how to purchase your basic starter kit with Young Living. Let me know if you have any questions either on the blog post or in the groups or in the event, wherever you're seeing this video. Have a great day, guys. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.